Hey guys, this is Tom who got disqualified from driving a few years ago. He's got his extended driving test coming up soon and wanted to take a mock test with me to find out if he's ready for the real thing. Tom makes a couple of serious faults and for one of them I had to use the brake pedal.
Hit brake, stop. Didn't even see that, you know.
But before I show you his driving, let's find out why he was disqualified in the first place.
Yeah, Tom, you want to tell us what happened? Why you got disqualified?
Yeah, so I passed my test in 2019 and in 2021 I unfortunately lost my licence due to dangerous driving. I was in my first 2 years of driving and you're only allowed 6 points, so...
Yeah, so just on that point, yeah, if you get 6 points in your first 2 years, yeah, so that could be like you said, dangerous driving without insurance.
Yeah, 2 bolt tyres.
Yeah, your licence gets taken away, yeah? Okay, so what happened with the dangerous driving, but if you don't mind going into a bit of detail?
So I was driving my ex-girlfriend's car. It was something that we used to do regularly, swap each other's cars, but none of us was insured on each other's car.
Okay.
She got a bit complacent. Nicked out to the shop to get dog food and the police tried pulling me over and I attempted to get away.
So it's like a police chase?
Yeah, sort of. I tried to get away by speeding off and I tried to exit a roundabout and took the roundabout a bit too fast and ended up crashing into another vehicle. And yeah, so...
Was anyone hit?
No one was hurt, luckily. No one was hurt.
And so the reason, what made you think, oh, you know what, I'm just going to try and drive off? What was it, the fear of you're going to lose your licence?
Panic,
anyway?
Yeah, straight panic. There was no thought behind it, it was just get me out of this situation kind of thing.
And obviously that's been a few years now, yeah. How do you feel about the whole thing?
Oh, it was one of the biggest regrets of my life. Obviously, I had my daughter that year, so we were struggling without a car. Yeah. And yeah, obviously just losing my licence, it's probably one of the best things you can have. And losing it, you realise that you've not got much without your licence, no freedom.
And the main thing with the whole situation, at least no one got hurt.
Yeah, like, definitely.
And the way you sound about it, obviously there's the regret there. And now you got your test coming up again.
Yep. 3 weeks time.
So I'm guessing it's an extended test, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. For those of you that don't know, extended test is slightly longer than a normal test, and you can do an additional manoeuvre as well. Yeah. Okay. So, driving wise, have you been taking lessons or?
Yeah. So I've had about 10 hours of driving at the moment until my test, but I have got more lessons
with an instructor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Right. So how do you feel driving then, or do you think your test ready? You feel pretty confident, or?
I feel confident with my driving. Obviously, while I was driving, while I had my licence, I've obviously picked up bad habits along the way, which I've managed to shift off with the lessons. Well, try to shift off with the lessons.
Okay.
But
cool.
I think I'm pretty much test ready.
All right.
Hopefully.
Well, we'll find out within about 40 minutes.
Hopefully.
Okay. Right.
As expected, Tom's overall driving was pretty good. His speed build up, his clearance when passing parked vehicles, and his general mirror checks were all good.
And if you could park up anywhere safe on the left for me, please.
His parking up here was perfect. He doesn't rush, identifies a safe place to park, and then uses the mirror signal manoeuvre routine in the correct order. When moving off, Tom thinks he's made a serious fault.
And move off when you're ready. What's the reaction for? The signal? You reckon that's anything major?
If I'd have pulled off without it, then yeah.
No. So major fault, did we really cause any danger to anyone?
No.
So even if you had moved off there, yeah, there was an oncoming car that could have benefited from your signal, yeah.
Right.
But that's what you call a minor fault, yeah.
I did notice on a few occasions Tom sliding down in his seat. I do ask him about it shortly. Tom makes his first serious fault when turning right at these traffic lights, and the second serious fault follows a couple of minutes after.
So what was that moment like when the police chase ended and the police got you?
Oh, heartbreak. Heartbreak. Yeah, I was devastated. Lesson learnt though.
That's it. You've
Lesson learnt.
learned your lesson from it.
Yeah,
like you
definitely.
explained.
Just hope I pass this time now. I won't be losing it again.
Good, good.
Might become a driving instructor.
Never know. You never know.
For those of you that want the correct knowledge on every topic required to pass a driving test, check out my Ultimate Driving course. Learners enter the car knowing exactly what to do, saving time on driving lessons.
So what could we have done better here?
Waiting at them lights there.
Yeah. So should have looked into that road as well.
Yeah, see
Because
what's
of-
coming in
yeah.
there.
Because of that bus, there's traffic.
Not sure what the driver in front was thinking here.
See?
Bloody hell. I don't know what he was thinking. He's probably. Do you think he could just quickly get out of the way or something?
Tom notices the bus's signal and holds back well, but this bus does obstruct his view a little for the next serious fault. Here Tom doesn't notice the giveaway sign or markings and is about to drive straight through. I had to use the brake pedal.
Okay, brake, stop.
Didn't even see that, you know.
No worries. Luckily I saved the day.
I was too busy trying to look out for that sign down there.
Yeah, you can go now. Them cars are going that way. That silence and after knowing that you messed up. It's pretty awkward, yeah. Sorry, I shouldn't be laughing.
Nah, I don't get that junction. What was that? Because I thought that was like they come round but merge onto where you come
Yeah.
onto, and I didn't see the
Yeah.
traffic. Was the traffic lights there?
There wasn't traffic, there was a pedestrian crossing beforehand, but after there was a giveaway sign and a giveaway marking that you didn't notice, yeah.
Right.
You know, there's no one behind, so if you just pull up next to this silver car and do the parking here, please.
Tom reverse parks well and does good observations throughout. He was going slightly wide at one point, but then sorts it out.
you, and move off whenever you're ready, please. And now if you could follow signs to Warsaw for me, please.
Yep.
At this roundabout, I kind of understood why Tom's sliding down. He sits up straight when he has to focus, and once he's dealt with the situation, he slides down to relax.
Is it like when you come, like for example, when you came up to that roundabout, you like proper, you sat up a bit,
I
did
did
everything,
that, yeah.
and then after it's done,
I had to look round.
and then you slide down. You are doing that,
I
aren't you?
do it all the time. I do it all the time.
After you dealt with it, you just relax a bit, do you?
Nah, not to move and have a little look around.
So why that sudden braking there?
30.
Where?
This is a 30, isn't it?
Where did you say?
I just presumed.
I'm going to file you for that.
Nah, I did. I presumed.
Okay.
I seen the speed camera and I presumed. That's why I was more worried about you getting the ticket.
I ain't going to get the ticket.
Are we going straight over, yeah?
Yeah. Warsaw, still following signs to Warsaw.
Oh, yeah.
Who gets the ticket? Who's driving?
Sure, I ain't got a licence.
You still getting your provisional?
Jesus, don't put 3 points on there already.
Right, now follow signs to Colsley, please.
Right, stop talking to me.
Do you see where Colsley was?
Nah.
It's right, third exit. See, if you don't notice the sign, just ask. You'll let do that on your test, yeah? It was on the second sign here.
This roundabout he does well, carrying out good observations when exiting, but he does stop panicking a little when he hears the sirens from the police car.
Is that the police? You're not sliding.
Make me also start twitching again.
Turn right, second exit. You're not sliding down anymore, are you?
Nah. Just stuck in a chair.
I ask him the show me question, and I like how he doesn't rush. He deals with the roundabout first.
And if you could show me how to demist the rear screen, please. And turn right at the roundabout, second exit. And park up on the left, please. Just in this bay here. Yeah, good. Obviously that's a show me question, that's done on the move, yeah? Okay, but it was good how here, you know when I asked you to do it, roundabout came up here and you like, okay, you dealt with the roundabout, yeah. Good, yeah. A lot of people do is they start looking down here and they just lose focus, yeah. Okay, so don't rush for the show me question when the examiner does ask you, yeah.
Right.
That's it, that's the end of the test. Switch off the engine for me. We're done. Okay, so I think you know what your mistake was, yeah?
Yep.
Apart from that, just that one where you were about to forget the signal, yeah, but you did do it. Okay, so there were hardly any minor faults during that, yeah? But your overall driving was really smooth, really good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there was nothing else there because your mirrors were bang on, your roundabouts were really good. Yeah, your observations on the roundabouts were good as well. There's nothing there I'd say that needs improving massively.
Right,
Okay. Really good. Yeah, you shouldn't have a issue with your actual test.
No.
Okay, and just just maintain that normal position. Like after you go, so you're like
adjusting.
you're like, oh. Right. So cool, Tom. Thank you very much
No,
for
nice one.
coming and do the test and being open about what happened and everything. And all the best
Nice one.
for the future.
And no one make the same mistakes I did.
Good. Yeah, like I said, that's the main thing. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, learning from the mistakes. Everyone does make mistakes, but always learn from them. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.